Today, we're diving into Kartra, the ultimate all-in-one marketing platform designed to streamline your online business operations. Kartra is a comprehensive solution utilized by entrepreneurs, marketers, and businesses to manage their marketing campaigns, sales funnels, and customer interactions efficiently. Throughout this video, we'll explore Kartra's key features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and available alternatives. Let's go! Let's kick off this review by looking at Kartra's main features. Complex Marketing Suite. Kartra offers a comprehensive suite of marketing tools, including email marketing, sales funnels, membership sites, video hosting, and help desk support. With Kartra, users can manage all aspects of their online business from a single platform, eliminating the need for multiple software subscriptions and integrations. Drag and Drop Campaign Builder. Kartra features an intuitive drag-and-drop campaign builder, empowering users to create visually stunning marketing campaigns and sales funnels without any coding or design experience. This user-friendly interface accelerates the campaign creation process and enables quick deployment of marketing assets. Advanced Automation. Kartra's automation capabilities allow users to automate repetitive tasks such as email sequences, follow-up sequences, and payment processing. By automating these processes, users can save time, streamline workflows, and focus on growing their business instead of managing manual tasks. Detailed Analytics and Reporting. Kartra provides comprehensive analytics and reporting features, enabling users to track the performance of their marketing campaigns, analyze customer behavior, and optimize their strategies for the maximum effectiveness. From conversion rates to revenue tracking, Kartra offers actionable insights to drive informed decision-making. Secure Payment Processing. Kartra includes built-in payment processing capabilities, allowing users to sell products, services, and digital downloads directly from their marketing campaigns. With secure payment gateways and customizable checkout pages, Kartra ensures a seamless and secure purchasing experience for customers. Responsive Customer Support. Kartra offers responsive customer support via email, live chat, and phone, ensuring that users receive timely assistance and technical support wherever needed. Whether it's troubleshooting issues, answering inquiries, or providing guidance, Kartra's support team is dedicated to helping users succeed. Kartra's pricing structure is flexible and scalable, with plans starting at $99 per month for the starter plan, $199 per month for the silver plan, $299 per month for the gold plan, and $499 per month for the platinum plan. Each plan offers varying features and benefits tailored to different business needs and growth stages. Users praise Kartra for its intuitive interface, seamless integration of marketing tools, and robust automation features. The platform's user-friendly design and comprehensive support resources contribute to a positive user experience, enabling users to maximize their productivity and achieve their business goals. Kartra's pros include its complete marketing suite, drag-and-drop campaign builder, advanced automation capabilities, detailed analytics and reporting, secure payment processing, and responsive customer support. However, some users may find that the learning curve may be steep initially, and the pricing may be prohibitive for small businesses with limited budgets. Additionally, customization options may be limited when compared to standalone software solutions, which we'll get into right now. Alternatives to Kartra include ClickFunnels, Infusionsoft, Builderall, and Kajabi. These platforms offer similar features and functionalities, allowing users to choose the platform that best aligns with their business needs, budget, and technical requirements. In conclusion, Kartra emerges as a powerful and versatile all-in-one marketing platform, offering a complete suite of marketing tools, advanced automation capabilities, detailed analytics, secure payment processing, and responsive customer support. Sign up today to unlock the full potential of Kartra and take your online business to new heights. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Internet for more software reviews and tips.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.